ko nga. Hello to my viewers. Good evening. How are you? Bakit ayaw mo ba? Comments mo pa lang. Why? Ano? I have powder. Face powder. Sugar. Kung naman yun sila makikita ang aking mga comment. I can see you. Hello to my viewers. Good evening. I'm going to put here, scars. Hello guys, good evening to my viewers. Shout out. Feel ko baliktad itong damit ko. Hello, you can comment naman. Gusto nyo? Comment kayo. Parang magsasalita ako dito. Where are you? Where are you guys? Oh, no one is watching now. Oh, no one is watching. Pasok sa aking live. Hello guys, you can ask me. Ay, dami tayo nito. Dahil hindi tayo marunong kilay. Marunong magkilay. Ang ingay kasi. Ito siya guys. Marinig yung boses. So, ganito kasi siya. Mas madilim. Yun na yung muna. Look. Ano mo na ito before. I'll show you after. Nakita. This is eyebrow ano. Baka naman yun. Paano ba ito patayin? Eyebrow shaver. Hirap naman nun. Marunong. Hello, Spread Lab. Hello to you, Spread Lab. Good evening. Ito, everybody. Marunong mag-ahit ng kilay. Paano ba yun? Hindi siya ano. I don't know how to use this. Ito siya. Ito. Ito. May ano siya. It has blade inside. This is for eyebrow. Eyebrow shaver.